Welcome back, Fish Fam. This is John, and today we're gonna do a little bit of microfishing, man. It's a beautiful day out. The water's been quite low here in Wisconsin. It's been quite hot lately, and we haven't really been getting kind of good rain here in Wisconsin. So I thought, why not hit up some creek fish here, hit up the stream. I got my ultralight set up here, and you know, we're just gonna go out and have some fun. So be sure to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions or comment, drop it down below. Let's go. All right, guys, first cast. Oh, duck. Hey, duck. Oh, got a bite here. So I have on a super micro hook. I think it's a fly hook. Forgot the name's called. And just on a split shot. So water's pretty stained from the rain that we had a couple days ago, but it was really light. But the fish are here, and they're hungry. Got one, got one. Oh, we got a smallie. We got a smallie on the house. All right. Look at that, a little cute smallie here. On the worm. Would you look at that? They're a fast swimmer. What's unique about the smallies is that their tail is slightly different from the largemouth bass, so they are designed to swim faster. So they like this type of water. See you later, dude. All right, first fish of the day. That was pretty cool. Oh, what was that? I think that was a bluegill. Oh, man. They are just straight up attacking this worm here. Possibly some nice shiner. You know, believe it or not, there's so many different types of shiner. Man, I'm like excited to just catch one. Whoa, 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 whoa. Dude, we actually got the fish I was actually going for. Oh my gosh, heck yeah. All right, I think it's called a hornyhead chub. This fish is awesome. Growing up, I thought this fish was amazing. Pretty looking fish, and guess what? We got it on the grid, guys. Would you look at that? So let me unhook this first, gently, and then I'll show you guys on the on my iPhone here. So it'll be a nice close-up. That is so cool. Dude, you guys don't know how excited I am, man. Some person on Facebook was like, why are you getting so excited over a little fish? I'm like, it's still a fish, man, and you just don't know. Like on an ultralight setup and targeting for a specific species too, nothing beats that, man. It doesn't have to be a big jumbo fish like a grouper or a largemouth bass, you know. It doesn't matter. It's a fish. As long as you're enjoying it, having fun, man, that's what it's all about, man. All right, so let's get on the close-up camera here. I'm gonna put it in the little bucket for a little bit, give him a rest, and then I'll get back to you guys here. All right, so this is your hornyhead chub. Oh. All right, guys, it's nice and calm now, but I believe this is a male. They have these unique, like thorn-like, horn-like on the top of their head, and this little red dot right behind his eye. So such a beautiful fish, man. It's really strong. You can feel the muscle throughout the fish. They like fast current water, and they're here to mate, man. During the spawning season, they come up here. They're very bright in color. They have that nice pink tint throughout their body here, and such a beautiful fish. I love them. They look so cool, man. Nice looking fish. Let's put it in the bucket. Okay, man, who would have thought catching creek chubs or chubs would be this much fun? So I am having a blast out here. As long as you're out here fishing, that's all that matters. This looks like a really juicy spot here. It looks like everything just hides here. This is like a perfect pocket. There's a couple cool shiners that I've seen online that looks pretty cool. So hopefully we catch them too. Have some nice color on them. So let's see. Got him. Another creek chub. Not creek chub, but a chub. I think it's a female. This is a female. The female are much smaller than the male, and they don't have those pointy things on their head, so pretty cool. Got it. Another smallie. There's so many of these little guys. Oh, it's a largemouth. This is a largemouth bass. All right. Got myself a largemouth for the day. Look at that. Well, it looks like a hybrid. Got one. What is this? A baby rock bass. Baby rock bass. Got that red eye. Oh, see you later. Got him. Oh, we snagged a shiner. We snagged a shiner. Look at that. That's so cool. Little shiner, guys. Try up by the waterfall here, guys. Oh, whoa. Oh my God, there's a giant catfish here. Oh, and a snag. Oh, guys, got one. We got a shiner. Crap. What kind of shiner is this? Could possibly be a common shiner, but oh, we'll see. We'll see. Oh my gosh. Oh, came off. Ah, super slippery. Guys, look at what I just caught. A big shiner. Look at that blue on its back. Such a cool shiner here, guys. Wow. Let me get a close-up for you guys. Look at that, such a cool shiner here. I think this is like a common shiner, I'm not sure. I like that color on its scale. Cool looking, guys. Sweet. Oh, guys. Yep, we got a yellow bass. Yes, yellow bass. Our first yellow bass of the year, guys. Such a beautiful fish. Oh yeah. Got it. Another one, guys. Yellow bass. They look so cool. Look at that. Another yellow bass. Ow. See you later, dude. Got something. Yellow bass. It's a cool looking fish. Oh, we got a smallie. Got a smallie. Biggest smallie of the day, guys. Let's go. Alright, see ya, fish. Whoa. Oh, it's an adventure. Super slippery. I can do this. Whoa. Woo. It's crazy, guys. Crazy. Okay, guys, so we're gonna do a quick recap. I'm gonna show you all the fish I caught today. We're gonna let it go. Save for next time. And so what I have here is the yellow bass. Such a beautiful fish. See that purple? You see that purple on his back and the yellow body. Such a colorful fish. I'm gonna let him go. Yeah, see ya. Next up, we have, see, I'm just grabbing from my bucket here so I can show you guys. All right, so I think we have that shiner. The biggest shiner I caught today. Look at that. So mighty. Silver and blue. So we're gonna let him go. All right. Go, buddy. Look at that. That's so cool. Next up, all right, so now we have the female chub. Okay, gonna let it go. Okay, gone with the current. And for the finale, we have that hornyhead, hornyhead chub. It's a really cool fish. All right, guys, this is the hornyhead chub. Been catching these since I was a kid, but they look really cool. Look at that. Let it go. All right. I think he misses home here. Gonna let it go here. See you later, dude. Bye-bye. All right, that was amazing, man. Okay guys, so that will conclude for today. That was an amazing outing. I had a blast catching some chubs and yellow bass and shiners and smallmouth bass. Really fun, you know, just having fun with that micro fishing, just bring that ultralight setup and just having a blast out in the river here. So I couldn't be more happy. Overall, I had a good time out here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys on the next video.